Welcome back. In our last few videos we covered how I set up our Edit on Demand system remotely as an administrator. Now let's talk about how we can get media uploaded and ingested into the system and enable teams in different locations to collaborate. So we have myself, Danny, located in my home office in the Netherlands, where I've deployed the Edit on Demand system onto our West Europe data center based in Amsterdam. My colleague Claudia is located in Munich, Germany, and is local to where our media is being captured. In this next video, Claudia is going to show us how a user gets connected to the available media composers and starts uploading our rushes for other users to start the editorial process.
Hi, my name is Claudia and I'm working from home in Munich. Let's get started. So as you can see, Danny's asking me to upload some footage for his editing project. That's no problem, I have that stuff available here. To upload media, of course, I need a transfer client. So we're using the File Catalyst system for that. With this, I basically received a download link for the client, for the agent to upload directly here in the email. So I will just click on it and get the software downloaded. While this is downloading, we can actually go back and download the remote desktop client. The software clients are available in Windows, Mac and Linux. I'm running Windows, so I will just get the Windows client. While this is running, we can actually start the installation. Great. So now you end up with two clients installed. One is the PCOIP remote desktop client, which allows me to connect to my systems located in the cloud. And you also will have the File Catalyst transfer agent, and this one will be used at a later point to upload media to the cloud-based systems. So first of all, let's start with the PCOIP client and see if my remote system is actually available. For this, I will just start it up. And luckily Danny sent me some credentials to actually log in. So I will just copy that and log into the system. I can actually also give it a name. Can save that. This makes it easier later on. If I start a PCOIP client, I can just click on it and I can directly connect to it. Now I just need to put in my credentials. I can say connect. And now it's asking me that I need to change the temporary password to a new password. That's no problem, we can do that. This will only happen at the first time at your login. Afterwards, your new set password will always be the one that you use to connect. What you see here now are the media composer systems or the remote desktop systems which are available in the cloud. They can have different statuses as well, so if they show stopped, you basically need to power them on first. This will take some minutes to be done. They can also show the status in session, so this one means that someone else is using that system already. Otherwise, if a system is started up and available, it will show the status ready. For now, we will basically just select one machine. We can say connect, and this one will take some time to start up the system in the background. Once the connection is established, you will end up on a remote desktop, as you can see here. You can see in the background that we have a Nexus connected, so we have a Nexus workspace. This workspace will be used for our file upload, so all our files will basically end up in that workspace. As you can see here on the side, we have Media Composer, so I will just launch the Media Composer and see if there's a project available. If this one is all set, then we can start uploading some media to the online Nexus system. So my Media Composer is started up. I can see under external someone created a project already, so we will just open that one up. And we can see that everything at the moment, the bins are empty. So let's get some footage to the system. For this, I'm going back to my laptop and I'm basically launching the File Catalyst web page.
On first login to the File Catalyst webpage, the user must enter their credentials which match those that have already been used to log into the PC over IP client. Click Confirm and allow the transfer client access to connect in order to be able to upload or download content from your EOD system. On the left side you will see content from your local computer. Claudia is now browsing for some local material to upload. You can upload single or multiple files in one go. On the right hand side we see the Nexus workspaces in the cloud. You can browse through different folders on the workspaces where you might want to upload. Alternatively, you can create a new folder directory and upload to this. Make your selection and hit the upload button. Your files will then be securely and swiftly transferred to the desired location. Just remember that any workspaces that require upload and download capability need to have read-write access for the generic file transfer service user. This can be done by your system administrator using the Avid Nexus management console. Now let's go back to Claudia to continue in Media Composer.
Inside my client, I will just create a new bin and I will call it Rushes. Now I can basically navigate to my files by using the source browser. I go back inside here on my Avid Nexus workspace. Then I have a folder. So here I can see the 4 files that I uploaded. So we select all 4 of them. And then we have 2 options. As you all know, with Media Composer, we can link the media or we can import it and transcode it directly. In my case, I want everything in DNX HD, so I will choose to import the files. So now the files are imported, so we can close that and we can make a first check directly here in the source browser. So the files all look okay. So I will continue uploading some more footage in the background and I will contact my colleague now to actually start with editing the project.